Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold from the daily time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is Tuesday, March 14th. At 12 p.m. we have high impact news plan for British pound related currency pairs, followed by a medium impact news, and at 6 p.m. we have 3 high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So we can expect lots of volatility in gold for today. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame, and in daily time frame I've already drawn the parallel channel pattern where we have noticed a price action to respect this resistance line of the channel pattern in the past, and I've extended this line. And here we can notice that it has very clearly broken this resistance line of the bullish channel pattern with a very strong bullish candle. So it is a very clear sign of the very strong bullish trend in daily time frame. And if the price action bounces back also, this bullish channel pattern support line will be acting as a support for the future price action. And only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend in daily time frame. And when we look at the support and resistance levels, so immediate support is going to be around 1904. Once this support level is broken, next level of support is going to be the bullish channel pattern trend line or the support line, and also the support level of 1872. And next level of support is going to be around 1844, which is the neckline of the previous double bottom pattern. It has to break this neckline in order to fall further on the bearish side. And once this next line is broken, next level of support is going to be the support level of 1817, and also the trend line or the support line of the bullish channel pattern. And if the bullish side retracement continues, next level of resistance is going to be around 1960. For now, the current trend of the price action is looking very bullish in daily time frame. And today also we have lots of high impact news. Based on the news outcome, we can expect the bullish rally to continue in daily time frame. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame, and when we look at the current price action in 4 hours time frame, currently the price action has breached this resistance level of 1904, which was a very strong resistance level from the past price action, but still it has not completely crossed this resistance zone. So we can expect little bit of retracement on the bearish side from this resistance level, and immediate support is going to be around 1904 from the daily time frame. And only when the price action breaks this support level of 1904, we can expect a further fall on the bearish side retracement. And for now, the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is also in a very strong bullish trend. Depending on the news outcome for today, we can expect a little bit of retracement on the bearish side, or to take support and to bounce back on the bullish side trend continuation. So for the 4 hours time frame, we can expect the values in black color boxes to be acting as a resistance and support levels for today's price action. Currently, the price action is trading between the support level of 1905 and resistance level of 1925. Once this support level of 1905 is reached, next level of support is going to be around 1888, 1871 and 1847. And if the price action takes support on the support level of 1905 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, next level of resistance is going to be around 1925 and 1959 or 1960. And for now, the current price action is trading at the very strong resistance level from the past price action. We can expect little bit of retracement. It is only a retracement, it's not a trend reversal on the bearish side. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame, and for the hourly time frame, I've again drawn a resistance line and a support line. Here we have noticed a price action to respect this resistance line, and every time it tested this resistance line, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. Here also we have noticed a price action to consolidate or attempting to break this resistance several times, and after the strong bullish news, we have noticed a price action to breach this resistance line and to trend on the bullish side trend. So for the hourly time frame, this trend line or the support line will be acting as a support for the future price action in hourly time frame, and only when the price action breaks this trend line, we can expect a further fall on the bearish side retracement in hourly time frame. So you can notice that there is a lot of supports on the bearish side from the higher time frame to hourly time frame. So the price action has to break all these support levels if it wants to continue on the bearish side retracement. And the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is also in a bullish trend for now. So the values within this black color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1912 and support level of 1904. On the bearish side, if the price action breaks the support level of 1904, next level of support is going to be around 1896, 1887 and 1871. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1912, next level of resistance is going to be around 1923, 1938, 1956 and 1979 or 80. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time. I am in 30 minutes time frame, and when we look at the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame, we are noticing it to be in a very strong bullish trend. And as long as the price action is in a very strong bullish trend, you can continue trading on a bullish trend. Wait for the price action to take support on this trend line or support line from the 30 minutes time frame, and once the price action bounces back from this support line, you can start taking trades on the bullish side trend. And if the price action breaches this trend line, it will be the confirmation on the bearish side retracement, so you can enter on the bearish side trade, but still you'll be taking trades against the current trend, so I would not recommend you to taking trades on the bearish side. And next level of supports on the bearish side, it's going to be the hourly time frame trend line or the support line, and the daily time frame support line. It has to break all these support lines if the price action wants to continue trading on the bearish side retracement. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in a bullish trend as long as it is trading above this trend line from the 30 minutes time frame, and it is trading between the resistance level of 1914 and support level of 1904. If the bullish side retracement continues, breaking this previous resistance level of 1914, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1920, 1925, 1930, 1938 and 1946. And if the price action breaks this trend line or support line and reaches this support level of 1904, next level of support is going to be around 1897, 1892, 1888, 1884, 1878 and 1871. Please remember, this whole zone is a very strong resistance zone from the past price action. It needs a very strong bullish news to break this resistance zone. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance levels and the support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1913 and support level of 1906. Once this resistance level is broken, next level of resistance is going to be around 1922, 1934, 1949 and 1959. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks a support level of 1906 and bounces back on the bearish side retracement, next level of support is going to be around 1900, 1896, 1889 and 1879. And we have strong trend line or support line from the hourly time frame and the daily time frame running over here. We can expect a bounce back on the bullish side retracement if the price action doesn't manage to break these trend lines. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.